Welcome to Conference Whispers, PAC Expo Las Vegas 2025, Video Edition. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli, Chief of Research at TBW Advisors LLC, Technical Business Whispers. The answer is always in the whispers. Join the conversation and subscribe today. Conference Vibe. After 52 videos and over 135 minutes of video recording, including 2 live streams, 30 fact checks, over 25,000 steps, 18 flights of stairs, and 4 Vegas loop rides, our coverage of PAC Expo Las Vegas 2025 closes. Opening day provided a rush for everyone to get their badges at registration, along with a temporary line. The Las Vegas Convention Center South Hall Upper featured every packaging need for candy and confectionaries, including the Confectionery Pavilion. South Hall Lower featured containers and materials pavilion and related exhibitors. South Hall also features its own eateries, where you can get nearly anything to eat. South Hall Lower, out back, also features a Vegas loop station. Enjoy the ride over to West Hall. There is also an extensive shuttle infrastructure to facilitate attendees. West Hall features the Innovation Stage and Industry Speaks. West Hall also features an extensive eatery collection. West Hall features an air-conditioned short walkway enabling all to cross the street over to North Hall indoors. It's always interesting to see how each event leverages the walkway. In this case, PAC Expo Las Vegas leveraged the walkway to feature their Packaging Innovation Showcase. It was quite fascinating to appreciate all the hard work, creativity, and talent that goes into packaging various goods we use every day. North Hall features the Logistics Pavilion, Processing Zone, Healthcare Packaging Pavilion, Containers and Materials Pavilion, and Packaging Printing Pavilion. North Hall also had an eatery inside the hall, as well as leveraged the traditional Central Hall food court. Unless you leverage the shuttle, the easiest way to get to North Hall to South Hall was a short walk outside. We once again live streamed from on site on Monday, requesting those attending to find me to answer questions 1 through 3, and Tuesday to let you know about upcoming events we have scheduled, and to introduce you all to TBW Advisors LLC and requesting assistance. Specifically, I once again requested assistance on your favorite videos for my segment on October 3rd broadcast edition of Computer Talk Radio. While at PAC Expo Las Vegas 2025, we conducted research for 3 additional forthcoming Whisper reports for our clients. The playlists are unlisted, but available and will eventually fill in with the video version of the report, so you may wish to bookmark these. Question 1, Whisper Report. What's the biggest packaging tech blind spot for Chief Information Officers? That's right, we're talking OT, IT integration pains. Question 2, Whisper Report. How will robotics in packaging reshape enterprise operations? And question 3, Whisper Report. What's the most overlooked data source in packaging? Readers and viewers wishing to experience the entire event are encouraged to view the Conference Whispers PAC Expo Las Vegas 2025 playlist in its entirety. Once the video edition is available, the playlist will be cited as a pinned comment, the end screen, as well as in the description. It is also easy to locate any previous Conference Whispers playlist through the TBW Advisors LLC corporate website. Welcome to PAC Expo Las Vegas. Tracy Stout, Vice President of Marketing and Communications at PMMI, the organization that hosts and runs PAC Expo Las Vegas, welcomed press to the event. The CEO of PMMI, Jim Petrus, then shared highlights of what to expect at the show. Specifically, the show featured more than 1 million square feet of exhibit space and 2,300 exhibiting companies representing 40 different vertical markets. One of the most exciting aspects of the press lunch was the state of the industry addressed. Enjoy the entire session. The net takeaway was this industry continues to grow despite years of continued growth. Later in the event, we were able to catch the Senior Vice Chairman of Pakistan's Packaging Association, APCCMA, Aftad Ahmed. Mr. Ahmed wanted all to know Pakistan is open for business with many goods to sell around the world. Exhibits. With over 1 million square feet of exhibits and 2,300 exhibitors, each exhibit had plenty of space to show off their machines, equipment, automations, and yes, robots. Signo Technology shared their autonomous robots on an integrated line. This line demonstrated palletizing, ring wrapping the pallet along with transportation of the loads between steps by robots. KUKA shared their complete robotic portfolio with attendees. The portfolio included SCARA robots, 6-axis robots, and autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs. For those not familiar, 6-axis robots are industrial robots capable of moving with 6 degrees of freedom. They would be X, Y, and Z axis, and rotations including roll, pitch, and yaw around these axes. We were also able to capture the 6-axis robot by Universal Robots, along with their AMR by MER. Robot Units is an industrial manufacturer that creates modular automation systems involving aluminum extrusion, robotic framing, and guarding to conveyors and power roller belts, timing belts, and modular belts. If you are seeking a cost-effective one-stop shop for control automation, Unitronics would love to speak with you. If, however, automation backed by 3 generations of experience catches your attention, the industrial integration company of FlexLine Automation was also in Expo Hall. A very critical aspect of packaging is that of boxing. The Summit Superflex 434 can rotate the packages so that they can be placed in alternating positions for maximum capacity. In addition, Summit also offers a solution to pack unglued boxes, saving space and money without losing packaging strength. Attempting to box sticky products and don't want to give away too much product? Hardpack specializes in exactly that sticky situation. Once packages are in a box, it is time to think about palletizing. B2B Solutions was on site with their innovative 1 and 3 pallet solutions. What was most interesting was the tiny 5.5 by 7.5 feet space it fit in. If that's not convenient enough, it can even leverage a standard wall outlet. Space isn't the only area of efficiency that many sought. If you are focused on getting your stock levels at the correct level, NetStocked video should catch your attention. If you find yourself having workers work overtime only to have workers with no stock before then 3 shifts later, you need to address the problem. Be sure to schedule an inquiry with your TBW Advisors analyst at the earliest convenience so we can discuss where you are today. In addition, create an action plan and strategy to digitally transform your organization, enabling not only efficient use of staff, but of packaging materials as well. Other interesting technologies located include this innovative printer head by Hitachi Industrial, ensuring your product codes are readable without significant and constant human intervention. As any network team in the distribution and manufacturing sector can tell you, constant reconfiguration can mean tricky cable management. In Expo Hall, we found Isotech that enables reconfiguration and reconnecting without all of the traditional hassles. One cannot have all these robots and manufacturing lines without significant proliferation of vision AI. Flexible vision focuses on quality control and traceability, analytics, and data collection. If you are seeking to examine the quality of your products, leveraging vision speeds up to 13,000 or more parts per minute, vision software was in Expo Hall. If you are seeking to get intelligence from sensors in general, perhaps even need to procure those sensors, SICK is there to help you realize your industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, solution. It's not about the sensor, it's about the business result. Next year's conference. PEC Expo Las Vegas 2026 will once again return to Las Vegas and will be held at the Las Vegas Convention Center, with dates yet to be announced. Read the full report online today. This has been Conference Whispers, PEC Expo Las Vegas 2025. The answer is always in the whispers. Join the conversation and subscribe today. Have an amazing day.